how do you make a custom privacy fence? Let's look at that together.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.
So today I am putting this privacy fence up, and it's for a run that's actually 12 feet between posts. We wanted this whole thing done. It's actually a little bit more than 12 feet. I had to buy a 16-footer. And so instead of putting a post in here and then another one there, went ahead and decided to run this whole thing on a 12-foot. Of course, the most important part of building a privacy fence is making sure that your posts are totally straight and then anchored really well. So we got the Quickcrete put in there, made sure the post was straight, dropped that in. Looks like it's not totally set yet, but it's starting to dry down at the bottom. So I cut these cross pieces. I could have done a slightly better job at like making sure this was cut at an angle, but I don't think it's a big deal. So screwed those with some 3-inch nails into the post, and then I'm just gonna nail the facing on to that, starting at one side, working my way on down. So if you start with a good foundation, then all the rest of them should fall into line pretty easily. So with this first board, I put a nail in, and then I put a level on it to make sure that it was level, because it's going against two different textures, against the brick and the stone. So this gap right here and the gap here is different. I can't trust my eye. So put a level on it. So you're just kind of working your way down from that first board, which is true. Since I'm following the grade, the natural grade of the hillside, I'm just setting my toe underneath the board, and that's my measurement, so that all of these are a consistent distance from the ground. Nail right there, so that's my space. I can just hold some pressure on the board, pull that nail out, tack this one in, still got the gap. Then I'm gonna come down low, do the same thing. Right now I have a big gap, put that nail in, push it. Now I've got the spacing I want, put some pressure on the board. Drop in that nail. Now I'm just gonna go in, finish this run, put the nails in the middle, good to go. I should also say, these guys are 8-foot, 4x4 treated lumber, so 2 feet is buried. These are 6-foot cedar dog ear privacy fence posts. This is my brother. Hello. Isaac. And so yeah, the six feet goes up there, 2 feet buried in concrete. So that is at least my step-by-step how to build a privacy fence. Hopefully that was super helpful. Other professionals, comment down below on helpful tips and tricks that will help all of us become the best DIY carpenter, go get 'em kind of people that we can be. You can be a better homeowner, a better landlord, by just putting your hand to it and trying it. So hopefully this video was helpful for doing something like that. Stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.